Hello everyone, today we are going to install C++ compiler in your Windows machine. So in order to do that, just go to your browser, search for Turbo C++ compiler for Windows 10 64-bit download. Here you will get turboc.codeplex.com. Click over there. Here you will get download Turbo C++ 3.2. Click here. Click over here in a download button and it will get downloaded in few seconds. Wait for a while. Once done, open it. Here you will get a setup. Click over there. Preparing to install. Click next. Accept the agreement. Next. Install. Click yes. Enter. Launch the program. Finish. Here you will get Start Turbo C++ button. Click over there. Docs box will open. And there we go. Your Turbo C++ compiler has been successfully installed. Thank you.